Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is all about winter transitional outfits. With the temperature starting to drop, it's definitely starting to feel a little bit chillier outside. I know a lot of us are starting to think about our winter wardrobes and how we can transition our much loved favorite fall items into the winter season to be a little bit more appropriate to match those cooler temperatures. If you're new to my channel, I make 2 to 3 fashion videos every single week, so I really hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel. It means so much to have you here with me. And without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So for this first look, I really wanted to keep things light and fresh and neutral. I love winter neutrals. So I started off with this top. This is a beige long sleeve top. It has a peplum hem and it's a really kind of pretty material. I just love the way it sits. This one's from Zara and I believe it comes in a few different colors. It has a similar hem on the sleeve as well, which I think is also really cute. And I paired it with a pair of high-waisted white denim jeans. These ones are from Nordstrom. I love white jeans in the winter season. And I have my white patent boots. Yes, they're patent. They're very shiny. These ones are from Steve Madden. I love the contrasted block heel. These are actually the most comfortable pair of boots I own. And white boots can be a little bit tricky to style, but because I've gone with a lighter pant, so a white denim jean, it really kind of helps to make my legs look longer and elongate my body. On the top, I have a faux fur kind of shearling style jacket. This one's from Zara. I finished off the look with my Small Love crossbody bag. This one's from Rebecca Minkoff. I love the metallic color of it. I just think this bag looks so high-end. It really helps to elevate any outfit. It's definitely going to be kind of like my go-to party bag over the holidays. And then I really like the gunmetal hardware on it as well. And I just think it really helps to complete the overall look. And this is a really kind of easy look that you can transition from the fall into the winter season. This next look is really all about the accessories. So for my base layer, I started off with this white fine knit mock neck style top. I've actually featured this top in so many different videos. It's from ASOS, but as you can see, it just goes with so many different outfits. I tucked it in to the same jeans I had on in the previous look. These are a pair of white high-waisted denim jeans from Nordstrom. On the bottom, I have a pair of patent military style boots. These are from Aldo. I love these boots. They're really high, but they're just really edgy and they're surprisingly comfortable, and I just love the way that patent looks in the fall and winter months. I threw over top my aviator jacket. This one is from Topshop. This is such a cozy and warm jacket, which is why I don't have my arms through it. I was really hot when I put it on. The entire jacket's actually lined in the faux fur. So it is a very warm jacket, perfect for transitioning from fall into winter. On top, I have my Baker Boy hat. It's in a velvet material. I love the Baker Boy trend, but this outfit really is all about the statement scarf. So this is a really fun way to incorporate some festive colors into your winter wardrobe. This scarf is huge. It's so warm, and what I love so much about it is it's in this beautiful pink and red. It kind of has Burberry vibes, but you could very much wear this all the way into February. It'd be really cute for Valentine's Day as well. So for this next look, I wanted to show you guys something a little bit different. So I'm wearing a sweater dress, but this one is a midi length sweater dress, and this one is from Uniqlo. It's in this beautiful kind of tobacco-y chocolate brown color. I really love it. It's quite oversized, so I cinched it in with this belt. This one is from ASOS, and I love how the black leather works really well with the black suede boot. So these are a black knee-high suede kind of gathered boot. These ones are from the brand Soul Society. I'll link them down below for you guys. But what's really interesting about this outfit, and definitely makes it a little bit more winter appropriate, is I've layered the midi dress over top of a pair of leggings. So these are from Uniqlo. They're actually quite a thin material. They almost look like a tight. It's their Heat Tech legging. But what I love so much about this is you can wear a pair of leggings and actually a full-length long sleeve top underneath this sweater and nobody knows. So you're gonna be nice and toasty and warm. You pretty much are wearing 2 outfits in one, and I just think that's really great for transitioning into the winter months, especially when we don't want to be freezing to death. We want to stay nice and snuggly and warm. On top, I have this leopard print beret. This one's from H&M. I've had it from years, and to finish it off, I've now thrown over my black wool coat. This one is from the brand Dynamite. I love the length. It's really nice and lined and a really warm coat, and it's just a classic and a staple that I think that you need to have in your fall and winter wardrobe. This next outfit I actually featured over on my Instagram. I'll link my handle somewhere on the screen. I'd love it for you to go follow me over there. So I started off the look with this ribbed effect. It's kind of like a light gray marled neck sweater, and then it has a little bit of mock neck at the top, and it has balloon sleeves, but it still tucks in really nicely underneath my aviator jacket. This one's from Target, and I featured it in my Target haul and try-on, so it'll be linked down below. On the bottom I have my kind of like a darker camel colored pair of coated jeans. I think coated jeans are an absolute wardrobe essential. They're just a really nice alternative to wearing jeans, and you can really take them from day to night, which is what I love so much about them. I have my ASOS chain belt on, and then I have my black faux suede over the knee boots. These ones are from Steve Madden. They have a pointed toe, which really helps to elongate your body. A nice little block heel, which gives you a little bit of height. They come in 2 different colors, and they're currently on sale, and they actually stay up, which is what we all want in our over-the-knee boots. On top, I have my Topshop aviator style jacket. This is such a warm coat, and then I paired it with my Rebecca Minkoff Love Crossbody bag. It's the same size as the metallic one, but it has a beautiful leopard print. I don't think this one is available, however there are some really similar styles, so I'll link them down below for you. This next outfit's really casual and cozy and really good for kind of running out doing any errands. So I started off with this white, it's kind of a ribbed effect, mock neck style long sleeve top. This one you can really dress up or down because it has a little frill hem on the neck here, which I think is really, really cute. I tucked it into a pair of high-waisted dark denim jeans. These ones are from Zara, and I love how high they come up, and they're just so form-fitted. They really just kind of hug you and shape your body in all of the right places and really kind of accentuate all your curves the way you want them to be accentuated. On the bottom of these really cute little booties. These ones are from Target. I love the faux fur on them, and these are under $40. On top, I have my metallic puffer. This one is from H&M. It is a last season jacket, but really kind of any type of puffer will do if you like this outfit and kind of want to recreate this look. And then I have this cute little white beanie. It's kind of an off-white cream color. It pairs really nicely with the little faux fur booties, and I love the pom-pom at the top. And then I finish it off with my metallic Love Crossbody bag from Rebecca Minkoff. As you can see, this one's kind of more of a muted metallic, whereas this one's a lot more shiny, and it just kind of like elevates your outfit and makes you look a little bit more kind of like fashionable and stylish, even though you're just wearing basically a turtleneck and a pair of jeans. For this next look, I've kept on the same top and the same pair of jeans, but I wanted to show you guys how just changing a few different pieces can give you a completely different look, and this is how you can really utilize a lot of your fall pieces in your wardrobe and transition them into the winter as well. So I have the same white turtleneck style kind of mock neck ruffled hem top on. As you can see, this is a way that you could kind of dress it up a little bit more. I have the same high-waisted jeans on from Zara, and to change it up I added my belt. I pair this belt with everything. It just goes with so many different outfits, and I added my black suede kind of slouchy gathered boots. On top I have a faux fur coat, and it's in this beautiful kind of like really rusty dark caramel color. This is absolutely beautiful. I think this jacket looks so luxurious, and it's from Forever 21. I finished off the look with my bucket style bag. This one's from Zara. I've had it for a few years now, but the bucket bag trend is really big for this year, and it's a really kind of similar color tone to the jacket with the gold hardware, which kind of matches with the belt, and I think it just kind of ties the whole look together. One of my favorite things about winter fashion is all of the fun textures. So this sweater is from Zara. I love it. It's so soft. You feel like you're wearing a little teddy bear. It's so cozy and warm. It's in this beautiful kind of like off-white cream color, and I love kind of like the striped thick paneling. I paired it with this black faux leather skirt. This one's from Zara. I really like the button detail on it, and I love that leather is just a really nice kind of trend for the fall and that you can carry into the winter season. Now, to make this outfit a little bit more winter appropriate, I added a pair of black tights. These are from a brand called Calzedonia, and Calzedonia hands down has the best tights. I, no joke, fell down an escalator. I fell down an escalator in tights very similar to these. They're the exact brand that I wear to work, and they didn't rip. So they're 100% worth the money. I think they're an Italian brand, and you can find them over in Europe. I paired it with my black faux suede over-the-knee boots from Steve Madden with the pointed toe, and I just love the suede with the tights and the leather and then the faux fur kind of like creamy top. It just really kind of ties the whole look together. It almost looks kind of festive, and it's really perfect for the holiday season. Alright, so for this next look, I love that it's like really warm and chic at the same time. It's great for kind of like going out, running errands, or meeting girlfriends, or going for lunch. So I started off with this white fluffy sweater. It's really stretchy and it's really soft and it just has really nice kind of fluffy wintry vibes. This one's from Target. I threw it over top of my faux leather, very high-waisted leggings. They literally come up to here. These ones are from the brand Stradivarius. I have an entire video about how to style faux leather leggings in case you guys wanted to check that out. It'll be linked down below. And then I have my white Pat and Steve Matin boots. I just like the way that the white with the fluffy sweater and the white in the boots go together. Now on top, I threw over my aviator style jacket, and typically I wouldn't pair leather with leather, but I think all of the textures and the neutrals really kind of break it up and just make the outfit look really cool and very winter appropriate. Now on top, I have my Jumbo Love crossbody handbag. Again, it's a black leather bag. It just kind of like ties all the leather that we're going for in this look. And then I have this really cool scarf. This one's last season from H&M, and it's actually a reversible scarf. So on one side it's black and white stars, and on the other side it's like gray with black stars, and I just like it. It just kind of brings the whole look together. It's a very kind of neutral look, but it's very, very cozy and warm. It looks like you put a lot of effort into your outfit, but really you're just wearing a sweater and leggings and a jacket. So for this next look, I've essentially thrown a sweater over top of a sweater. So I'm wearing the fine knit white mock neck style top that you've already seen in the video, and then I've thrown over this chenille cardigan. It's kind of in an oatmeal color. This is last season from Target. I love how kind of like flowy and open it is, and it's just a really nice kind of versatile color. They have some really similar ones in Target right now, so I'll link those down below for you guys. And then I have belted the cardigan over top of the fine knit top, and I just think it really kind of makes the outfit look a little bit more chic and a little bit more dressed up. So on the bottom, I have my faux leather leggings. These ones are from the brand Stradivarius. I have my suede gathered boots from Soul Society. I chose these ones because I like that they meet me just at the knee. I'm 5'3", but then I can still kind of show off the faux leather legging. And then I have my Jumbo Love crossbody from Rebecca Minkoff. It just kind of brings all the leather together from the belt and with the leggings. And on top, I have my velvet Baker Boy hat. This one is from Forever 21. And just to make the outfit that much warmer, I now have thrown over top my white fluffy coat from Forever 21. It is a last season piece, but there are some very similar ones out there at the moment, so those will be linked down below. So this look is for those of you that might be already experiencing those really chilly temperatures, because I'm wearing a down jacket. This is a red down coat. It's actually from Old Navy. It's a few seasons ago. Old Navy usually comes out with jackets like this, so I will link one that's very similar down below for you guys. Underneath, I have the teddy bear effect top. It's a long sleeve top. It's really snuggly and warm, which is what I love so much about it. I have a pair of dark denim high-waisted jeans. I already shared these with you guys in the video. As you can see, they just work well with a lot of different outfits, and I love that they're high-waisted. They just kind of help to elongate your body, especially if you're more on the petite side. And on the bottom, I have the cute little boots from Target. I still can't get over the fact that these are only $40, and I love the faux fur on them. It works really well with the top from Zara. And then I have this little kind of beige creamy toque with the little pom-pom. The pom-pom actually matches the faux fur at the back, and I just like that this color goes with a lot of different things I have in my wardrobe. And yeah, this is a really fun time of year to bring out your festive kind of holiday pieces. So that's everything from me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you got some outfit ideas and some inspiration on how you can transition your fall wardrobe into the winter season. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That means so much to me, and that's how I know you guys want to see more videos like this. If you didn't already hit the red subscribe button below, I really hope I've inspired you to consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and I'd absolutely love to have you here, as I have so much more fashion content planned for the next couple of weeks, especially as we move towards the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was from the video. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. I really love chatting with you guys, and I'll see you all again here in my next video. Bye!